With my nutrition background, here are two things I've learned most people don't know about gut microbiome and diet. Dietary diversity matters. The diversity of foods in your diet directly impacts the diversity in your gut microbiome. A varied diet rich in different types of fibers, fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and even fermented foods like yogurt or kimchi can promote a more diverse and balanced microbiome. This diversity is linked to better overall health and reduce risk of certain diseases. Connection between gut and brain. The brain and the gut are interconnected through what's known as the gut-brain axis. A healthy gut microbiome has been linked to better emotional well-being and may play a role in conditions like anxiety and depression. So let's eat more fermented foods and prebiotic foods to alleviate your gut health and produce the feel-good chemicals.